Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for clicking on this video today. Hope you enjoyed the last overnighter with my cousin. It was a blast, good fun. But today I'm out on my own, and as promised I'm going to show you around the secret bushcraft camp that we keep talking about. We've lost the winter wonderland as you've seen recently. Not sure we'll get much more snow here in Scotland anymore this time of year. But it's still going to be quite chilly tonight. It's probably going to be about 0 degrees. So here we go. So you've seen bits of it before. I'll take you around and show you the rest of it today. So this is still a work in progress. As you can see, we've just got a back wall, fire with a fire reflector wall. There's the tripod that you seen me make in the last video. Started making some cool small tables here. Plan is to make that two-tiered, so we'll have like another shelf down here in the middle. Not too happy with the roof just now. The way it's sitting, it does gather the rain and the snow, so that will be getting sorted. But by the way guys, the purpose of this shelter is it's kind of a communal shelter for when we come up here with my brothers and my cousins. So we don't sleep in here. It's just for hanging out. So guys, that's pretty much it for the bushcraft shelter. As you can see, still a bit of work needing done. Need to finish that fire reflector wall first of all. Need to try and do something with the roof. Plan is to put some more beams up and cover it with spruce boughs, try and make it a bit more stealth bushcraft, you know. But yeah, really enjoying having the bushcraft shelter. It's the first time we've built something like this. Looking forward to getting it finished, adding more stuff to it. If you guys have got any ideas of some cool stuff we can do at the shelter, drop us a comment, that'd be cool. So we're expecting a lot of rain on this trip today guys. As I said, the snow's all away, but we're expecting a lot of rain. There's a yellow warning for rain for us in central Scotland tonight and tomorrow morning. So it's quite dark, overcast. There's not a lot of light for us for filming today. But hey, we'll still have fun, right? Gonna just use my gas stove just so I can make a quick bite to eat, guys. I'll get the fire on later. I don't really want to put a roaring fire on just now. As I say, it's still going to be quite chilly tonight, so we'll get the fire going later and I will enjoy it later. But for just now, I'm just going to get the wee gas stove on and have a wee bite to eat. Whoa. Damn, son! So while that's boiling up, I'll show you this. So I tried my hand at making my own axe. Not really making my own axe, but I bought this handle, right? eBay, $8. And this head is from an old hatchet that I didn't really like the handle that was on it. So I took the head off the hatchet, bought this cheap beech wood handle from eBay. And when it arrived, it was pretty crap though. I had to do a lot of carving, cutting, and to make it look like a decent handle. It was, like I say, $8 from eBay, so it wasn't the best looking handle. I had to carve the end, make it look a bit decent. I put the hole in it, a piece of leather. But I'm not too happy with it, guys. The Like I say, this is the first time me trying it, and the handle wasn't in a good condition when I got it, so I had to do a lot of carving. And I took slightly too much material off one side here, and the head isn't sitting straight. Kinda gutted about that. But at least I know kinda how to do it now. So I can either just buy another handle, it was only $8, and I can try it again. Also, what I did to make this handle look nice was boiled linseed oil, and I really do like how the oil made the handle look. It's pretty cool. Also, while we're on the topic, I'll share this with you. So this is a DIY axe mask that I made, and it's actually made from an old leather guitar strap and a piece of leather string. So the way you put it in is like this, and you put the string over like that, and then like that. So this is bushcraft for me. I like making my own stuff. I enjoy that creative side of it, of bushcraft. Sure, it's not the sexiest looking axe sheath mask, but it's homemade, man. I like that. I've got the chair today because we're chilling, we ain't surviving. We thriving, yo. Just a simple cup of soup for lunch. Well, not really lunchtime. Just something to keep me going just now. Cup of soups are great for camping, guys. Recommend them. This is chicken and vegetable. I've got something to show you while I'm here. Got a new tarp. As much as I liked the DD XL tarp, I got sick of wrestling with it, guys, every time I was out. It's just so big, so bulky. So I wanted to try going back to just a 3x3. So this is a cheap 3x3 tarp that I found on eBay for $16. I don't know how that's going to work out for me, but you guys know I used a Mock Tremor for the hammocking, so I didn't want to spend a lot of money on a 3x3 to find out that it doesn't really provide the cover that I need. So I'm going to try with the 3x3 tonight, and if I like the 3x3 as opposed to the DDXL, then I'll probably buy a better 3x3 down the line. I'm hoping this one will do just now. It's quite cool, it's got digital cam on it. So we'll be setting that up soon. So for dinner tonight, I'm making soup again, because soup's great, especially when it's cold. Let's see, I've got a buttered roll to go with it. I'm going to toast that over the fire later. Got some potatoes, got a small bag of cooked ham, some vegetables. I'm pretty sure I've got something else in here. Oh yeah, lentils and some stock. Well, that's going to be dinner tonight. Looking forward to toasting that roll over the fire for sure. So it's not a bad looking tarp, guys. I do like the digital camo, it's pretty cool. I did want to do a diamond configuration tonight, but it just wasn't going to be enough room. I'm hoping this is going to be okay. So like I mentioned earlier, we do have a yellow warning for rain soon. Later on tonight into tomorrow morning. So that will be a pretty tough test for this cheap tarp from eBay. And if it stands up to the test and seems decent, for 16 bucks, I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check it out yourself. So hopefully it does, it could be useful for a lot of people looking for a cheap tarp. But yeah, I like it, man, looks pretty cool. So we're all set up for shelter tonight. Even though it's not going to be sub-zero tonight, it's pretty cold, and I've been working without gloves for the last wee while and my hands are pretty cold. So I think I'm going to go and get some firewood ready now, guys. Nothing else to do now. Had my lunch, belly's full, tarp's up. So yeah, we're going to get some firewood. So I've created my fire lay, guys. Just some sticks on the ground to keep the tinder off the cold wet ground. And fire starting method of tonight, lads. birch bark. Collected a whole bunch. Gonna just make a wee nice pile of this. So the wife got me a new knife, guys, for Valentine's Day, no less. Quite a good gift for Valentine's Day, I'd say. Here we have the Mora Ganzable. So I knew she was getting this. She kind of let the secret fly, so I knew I was getting it, and I was quite excited about receiving this because it's got the dual grind. So we've got Scandi up to here and then full flat grind to the tip. It is quite thin compared to the Bushcraft Black or the Garberg. I don't know what the Garberg like. But nevertheless, I'm looking forward to using this knife. So far I've enjoyed using it. Create some tent pegs, a little bit of carving. But I'm looking forward to using this knife this year because I think it'll be really useful for processing fish. With this thin, full flat grind at the top. I'm thinking that'll be great for doing the old nasty gutting of the fish. Well guys, it's getting to that time of night where we need to ruin the ambience of the forest with bright stupid lights. Yes, it's better that than walking about the forest poking yourself in the eye with sticks, I suppose. The soup's cooking away nicely now. Check this out. I rigged up this wee platform, a couple of sticks and my grill. I'm going to be toasting my bread on that. That is going to be cool. I'm so hungry. Hey guys, how you doing? That soup and the toast, to see a bit of roll over the fire went down really well, by the way. I'd recommend it. That was the sound of my pot just falling. I'd filled it with water and I was going to clean it, and it's just still fell in the water. It fell in the fire. Oh my god. What's this all about? Well, I see. The flames got a bit too high for a second there, and it killed the paracord that was holding the peg up. So the peg's fine, but the flames were too high and the paracord just... So my water just went flying. Right, so what I've done to solve this is I've carved a much longer hook. But yeah, the flames just got too close to the paracord, and they burnt the paracord, and my pot fell in the water. Fell in the fire. So let's try that again, see if I can clean my pot this time. Well guys, it's getting to that time of night again. Not got much firewood left now, so just stoked the fire up again. It's pretty chilly now, to be honest. Nowhere near as chilly as the -10s I've had recently and stuff. But yeah, I'm just going to chill next to the fire for a bit. I'll probably catch you in the morning. How's it going, guys? It's nearly 8 o'clock in the morning. Still really dark. It's been raining most of the night. And this little old tarp seems to be holding up fine. Just rolling off it. I really don't want to get up, but has to be done. Well guys, it's absolutely bucketing it down. Raining cats, dogs and squirrels. So I'm not going to be hanging around much today. I think I'll just get breakfast when I get home. So if you enjoyed joining me in this little adventure today, be sure to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you the next time.